there is a fly in this room that is extremely irritating. So if you see me darting about, that's why. I am making a handwriting booklet today, and I am doing it for a member of our Facebook group, our homemade community. They have asked for a non-cursive handwriting book. Their child's interests are things like Minecraft and dinosaurs and space, and their kid is 6 years old. So my plan is, and this is kind of a little formula that I'm using for quite a lot of the booklets, is I found some kind of, does what it says on the tin worksheets and booklets that are on Twinkl, and then I've interspersed that with some more creative ways of practicing handwriting, like mazes and the fine motor kind of pattern practicing that are themed on some of the activities that this child is interested in. So I just printed them off. I'm going to make a front cover, add in a certificate at the end, because that's always fun, and then fingers crossed this will be the most successful binding that I have done. We'll see. Now, when I watched this back, I was so disappointed because I didn't get the binder in shot, so you can't see how flawless my punching is and how smooth the binding went. I've definitely learned a few lessons. It's better to take time to put less into punch, make sure everything's really pushed in there, and then punch very firmly. And then again, when it comes to putting it in the binder, just taking it bit by bit as well, and I managed to do it first time round. I was so proud of myself, but the handwriting book was finished within about 5 minutes for the binding process. So let's have a little flip through the booklet. I started off with some general letters, just the different groups, like the long ladder letters and curly caterpillars. And then I found these great sheets. It's simple practice, uppercase and lowercase, but you time yourself and race yourself to see which one you do the quickest. And I thought that was a really fun, light-hearted way into handwriting practice. And then as you can see, every few sheets I put in things like a maze, the pattern tracing, and some mindfulness colouring in sheets, just to keep that fine motor practice up with not having too much pressure on how you do that. So I think it looks really colourful. I think most 6-year-olds wouldn't find this intimidating at all. And then at the end, just some practice again on smaller letters, so you can build up to that, and then a certificate popped in at the end for when they've completed it.